Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing chicken, but it's going to be stewed. In Spanish we call it pollo guisado. So yeah, I picked up some carrots from the fruit reduction stand, as well as some potatoes. That's all I needed. I'm going to begin first by taking the chicken off the fridge. And this is what I do because I'm very busy. And my meat marinates until I'm ready to cook it. Excuse me, let me wash my hands. What I'm going to do is take my chicken, because my husband and I don't like it with the skin. We don't like pollo guisado with the skin. So we're going to take the skin off. So I'm going to take these carrots and cut them into pieces, bite-sized pieces. Actually, I like them a little bigger, but it's to your liking, however you like. And everything. What I'm doing is cutting off the tip. That's it. I'll give it another rinse. And start cutting it up. Just add my base. That's a sofrito. Adds a lot of flavor. Now the potatoes. Just peel these bad boys and cut them into cubes. My husband really doesn't like potatoes, so he'll eat it if he sees it a little. But if he sees too much, it just like turns him off. Like, he starts with his, I can't. Silly. I gotta get a better potato peeler, because this is not fast enough for me. So yeah, the weather was pretty nice. It's not too bad. A little windy, but not bad. Okay, potato peeled, and rinse it off. And rinse off this knife. Add some water. Some tomato sauce. It's already in the fridge. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Okay. So, enough. And now to that pot. Hold on, let me just show you guys so far. So it looks like in there. so far. I'm going to add some adobo, just a little bit of adobo. That base is amazing, so really, I just add for a little extra oomph. Oregano, dry oregano. I love oregano. Oops. Add a little paprika, just for a little more color. Just a touch of basil. I don't measure, I'm sorry. That's how I was taught, just by eye. And this is salt-free seasoning. Just a touch of that. And of course, garlic. Just a pinch of that. Now I'm going to add agaparado. What's agaparado, you're asking? It's olives. These are pitted. They have pimento. Also add some of the juice because it's delicious. How beautiful that looks. Yum. Now I'm going to take a cup of rice and I'm just going to wash it. I already have my rice pot. Water in it and everything right there. You know what? I forgot. This hood has a light. I have to turn it on. Hold on. Oops. There you go. It makes much difference, but see, I'm gonna wash this rice. I'll be right back. Okay, it's important that the rice is clean. Yes. Okay, the water's boiling. I'm gonna take some salt. And that's to add to the rice pot. This is a taste. Everyone's got their own taste. Just showing you guys how I do this. And if you noticed, my hair was loose, and then you see it in a ponytail. That's because I am cooking. My hair is past my waist. That is not cute. I don't recommend. I mean, you can do as you please, but I don't know. I wouldn't. The hubby called and he's on his way home. He asked me to fry chicken to it. You know what? I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. No, not today. I'll fry chicken tomorrow. So I was thinking of making mashed potatoes and fried chicken, maybe some corn on the side, and homemade mashed potatoes. We don't do the powder thing here. That's why we buy bags of potatoes. When you use potatoes, use the real thing. You don't have to. It's just me. That's how we do it. Okay, and I added the salt to the boiling water. Now, oh. And yes, I rinse everything. We have no cockroaches here. None at all. Thank the good Lord. Because I break out in hives and everything. I can't. Anyways. This is not it. Just because, you know. Force a habit. Exhausting stuff. You never know. Better safe than sorry. Okay, I'm going to take some butter and add it to the water in the rice pot. Some people use lard, some people use oil. We use butter. And it just gives us flavor to the rice. So now I'm going to add the rice. So the water's at a full boil. Pretty soon, the hubby's gonna walk in, and it smells amazing in here. Oh my goodness, I love it. I don't get the opportunity to cook very often here. My husband is the one that mostly does the cooking, and it's because I'm always out. But I long to be in the kitchen and long to cook and just relax, be at home. On days like this, I get the opportunity. I thank God. It's a blessing. Yes. So yeah, it smells heavenly in here. And come back. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks plated. And yeah. See you guys in a minute. And there you have it. Nice and plated up. What I did was I went in and I took the bones all out. So that's why it looks like this. Look at all the veggies and all that meat. Sauce. Looks delicious. And the white rice is perfect. So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And until next time, God willing, buen provecho.